Konnichiwa Minna and hello everyone. I Kripangsha along with my friends Prashi, Arpita, Nimisha, Kanishka and Ashvi will be giving presentation on a land of Asian tradition and modern marvels, Japan. Here, introduction. Japan is an island nestled in East Asia, is a captivating blend of Asian tradition and modern marvels. Its history, dating back to the Paleolithic era, is a tapestry woven with thread of isolation, feudalism and rapid modernization. The Meiji Restoration, a pivotal movement in 19th century, assured is an era of industrialization and transformation that propelled Japan onto the world stage. Beyond its rich history, Japan is renowned for its vibrant culture, shaped by influences from Buddhism, Shintoism and Confucianism.
From the serene beauty of cherry blooms to the intricate artistry of traditional crafts, Japan offers a unique culture experience. It's a society characterized by a strong emphasis on group harmony and respect for authority has also embraced too for individualism and assertiveness, especially among younger generation. As a global powerhouse, Japan's technological advancement and manufacturing prowess are admired worldwide. From its high-speed bullet trains to its innovative automotive industry, Japan continues to push the boundaries of innovation. However, like any nation, Japan faces its own set of challenges which we will delve into further in this speech.
Here are some other interesting facts about Japan, like Haguna Open Air Museum, Mount Fuji, Iceland, public transportations of Japan and more. Nimisha.
Iceland. Japan is an archipelago made up of over 6,800 islands, with the four largest being Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu and Shikoku. Mountain Fuji. Japan's most famous mountain, Mount Fuji, is still active and has been for over 1,000 years.
Earthquakes. Japan is located in one of the world's most seismically active zones, and thousands of minor earthquakes and record years.
Public transportation. Japan's public transportation is known for its efficiency, punctuality and its comfort.
Located in Tokyo, Shibuya Crossing is world's busiest pedestrian crossing.
Open Air Museum. This museum houses a large collection of sculpture from renowned artists including Picasso, Henry Moore and Yasumuzui.
Language. Japanese is a fascinating language with a unique writing system and complex grammar.
Salmon sushi. Although sushi is a 500-year-old Japanese tradition, eating raw salmon with sushi is a Norwegian invention from the 1980s.
Even after facing enormous problems and severe attacks from Hiroshima and Nagasaki, it still stands high as a global economic powerhouse. Japan's technological advancement and manufacturing prowess are admired worldwide.
Despite its many strengths, Japan faces several significant challenges. Let's discuss some of its major challenges in the assembly now.
The demographic crisis. Japan has a rapidly aging population with a declining birth rate. This poses a strain on its social security system and labor market, affecting its economic stability and life of the nation.
Secondly, economic stagnation. Japan's economy has experienced periods of stagnation and deflation hindering its growth potential.
Thirdly, natural disasters. Japan is prone to earthquakes and tsunamis, which can cause significant damage to infrastructure and disruption economic activity.
Then talk about its nuclear energy corner. The Fukushima nuclear disaster in 2011 has raised nuclear corner about safety of nuclear power and its role Japan makes.
It's about a major concern. Rising inequality. Income inequality has been on the rise in Japan, leading to social unrest and economic challenges.
To address these problems, Japan has implemented various strategies and policies, some of them being
Immigration policy. Japan has gradually relaxed its immigration policy to attract foreign workers and boost its labor force.
Reforms. The government has implemented structural reform to improve productivity, competitiveness and innovation. Disaster preparedness. Japan has invested heavily in disaster preparedness and mitigation measures to reduce the impact of natural disasters.
Energy transition. Japan is transitioning away from nuclear power and towards renewable energy resources to ensure energy security and reduce environmental risk.
Social safety needs. The government has expanded social safety needs to support the elderly, the disabled, and the unemployed.
Japan has demonstrated several best practices that other countries can learn from, like
Education and innovation. Japan places a higher value on education and invests heavily in research and development.
Infrastructure development. Japan infrastructure is the world class, supporting economic growth and improving quality of life.
Social cohesion. Japan has a strong sense of social cohesion and community which contributes to stability and resilience.
Environmental sustainability. Japan has made significant progress in environmental protection and sustainability.
Disaster management. Japan's disaster management system is highly effective, ensuring prompt response and recovery efforts.
the international community can play a vital role in supporting Japan's continued success. Collaboration on economic fronts, from trade agreement to joint research, can fuel further growth. We can further understand the approach of the world towards a brighter future of Japan.
Economic cooperation. Developed countries like China can help Japan in addressing its economic challenges through market access, supply chain integration, joint ventures.
Countries like India and USA have been frequent supporters of Japan during hard times and calamities. The international community can provide assistance to Japan in the aftermath of natural disaster. This includes humanitarian aid, financial support, military assistance, relief items, and technical expertise.
Environmental collaboration. Addressing global environmental challenges such as climate change requires international cooperation. Japan can benefit from collaboration with other countries and on sustainable development and environmental protection.
Problem of aging population. Japan can seek help from labor-rich countries like India to overcome the problem of aging population.
Other countries can learn from Japan's experience by investing in education and innovation. Prioritizing education and research and development can foster economic growth and competitiveness.
Building resilient infrastructure. Investing in robust infrastructure can withstand natural disaster and support economic development.
Promoting social concern, fostering social concern and community engagement can strengthen fabric and enhance stability. Embracing environmental sustainability. Adopting sustainable practices and investing in renewable energy can protect the environment and ensure long-term prosperity.
Learning from disaster management. Studying Japan, the disaster management strategy can improve preparedness and capability.
In Asians, Japan's journey is not a story in isolation. It's a tale of challenges is overcome, traditional cherished, and innovation embraced by learning from Japan's best practices and collaborating to address its challenges. The world can not only support Japan's future but also benefit from its unique experience, creating a brighter future for all. Thank you so much.